Hi guys, welcome back to Gardening with Creations by DX & Co. Today I just wanted to show you a quick update on what composted soil looks like. So let me show you what that looks like. Guys, we had a bit of a science experiment going on last fall. This particular area actually has probably been this way for almost 2 years now. Just leaves and mulch and pine needles, all kinds of different stuff that falls down, and we just kind of left it as kind of a bit of a science experiment. And goes to show you, it doesn't take long to get nice rich composted soil out of letting nature just do its course. So this is what everybody loves to refer to as black gold, if you will. This is definitely something that I'll be adding to my top off some of my plants this fall, or this summer, sorry. But just want to let you guys know how easy it is to get started composting. So the rest of these leaves I'm throwing in a bucket to add to my compost pile, but I wanted to show you guys what it looks like just by nature taking its course. So imagine what you can do when you give it a little bit of help. There you have it, guys. Thanks for watching. Wanted to show you a quick short video, and if you guys like this, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, hit that notification bell for more content to come in the future. And as always, I hope you guys are staying safe and enjoying your garden.